morning everyone, welcome to my channel and etc. I'm not so excited, sorry. Okay, daily live stream for intraday stock selections and trades. Today I think I'll go live. Let's see. I'll go live for maybe 1 hour, then I'll go offline. If I want to show the results, I think I will try to put shorts for my results of today. For now, let's see all the stock selections. All the stock selections I've kept it here. So let's begin. Is there something else? Okay, like, share, subscribe, and enjoy. Make money if you can, and just put stop losses. System stop loss is much better. Don't play with emotions. First stock selection for today is Biocon. Biocon, why? Because yeah, I was seeing this. We were planning on buying it if it was opening above this line, but sadly this opened around 4% up and then just fell down. It was some type of freak trade. I'm not sure why. So I'm just ignoring that one candle. Then rest everything is looking like it's going in a channel. So right now inside the channel I just made one triangular pattern. This is 50-minute chart, so in 5-minute chart you can really understand how. So I'm thinking if it's going anywhere, I'll just prepare when it breaks out of this triangle. So right now we got the price. It's going up today. Mostly Nifty is gapping up today. Yep, gapping up. So after gap up, it's somewhere near the resistance. So it could break or the all-time high again, or it could just fall down after that. So we'll not take trade in the first 5 minutes. We'll just see. This triangle is not any breakout triangle, or we won't trade in that because this is the channel. If it breaks out the channel, then we can take the trade. Most probably this was not a freak trade, but I think it will take that target again. So let's see this breakout of the channel. On the lower side, I think this is the target. I can't take much. Around 1.4% target on the lower side, because this one resistance also is there on a small time frame, because this was previous resistance for this, and so this will be the support. So if the support is broken, okay, if my computer started doing its weird stuff, I think we can take this target here. So let's see what happens. I will take the trade after the 15-minute candle is formed, that's sure, because I'm not comfortable taking in the first 5 minutes. Next, pure pattern tradings. Just style is formed a triangular pattern. It's still inside the triangular pattern, so we'll wait for the breakout. It has tried breaking out, but there's huge supply above. Previously there was supply. See, even this green candle was very bullish, but after that it just fell down because of the supply. This is a pure testing of supply. So people, this breakout, usually they'll push it till here, then rest people will start buying. Seeing this, people usually with the emotions, they won't sell it so fast. Slowly, when the price drops, slowly these institutions or whichever supply is here, they sell it to the people around, so the price drops. Usually profit booking is going on in the market. It's consolidating for almost more than a lot of months. Usually a trend reversal might come soon. Let's see. It's almost from June, July, August. 3 months done, not 6 months. Usually 6 months is enough for people to book profits. See, it's in the range. Why it's in the range? Because This is much lower for the institution to sell. They have a target somewhere around here. If you see volume profile, let's find out. I don't think we can find volume. Okay, imagine if some way there's a good green candle till here. There's a lot of stop loss over here. They have to cover their shorts. So short covering will pull the market up to 16,200, 300. That's for sure. But they need capital, and FIIs are selling so much. So today, if they don't sell and if they start buying, then the market can go much higher. But I think FIIs, they have reached their target, so they are booking profits, and it's looking like a trend reversal as well. For now, let's see. L&T Housing Finance, we saw buy possibility. Selling, I'm not sure. But let's see. Just style, okay. Just style on a buy side breakout from here. We can take the target around 1.125, somewhere here, this level. Sell side, you can take the bottom of this triangle as a target, or you can use the moving average as a target as well. Right now you can see the 200 moving averages here. So it might take a retracement over here and go up, or it might just take a reversal over there. So be careful. Always be ready to look at the market in different directions. Know when to book your profits and know when it's a reversal. Most of the times, even in a few videos back, you have seen me lose some profits because I thought it was a reversal, but my trailing stop loss saved me and gave me some profits. Okay, even torrent power is gapping up and opening. I don't think this one I will take a trade. Why is it gapping? Is there any results? No. Results were done. Okay. Earnings. Okay, earnings is coming up on 6th August. This one I'll wait for the 15-minute candle, because something like this I don't think I can trade. But in case the first 15-minute, okay, market open. Okay, let's see. It was open here, it's here. Let's see where it's going, and let's see all the rest of the. Luckily I don't trade in the first 5 minutes, so I have time to judge. Okay, Bandhan Bank, mostly because you can't trade in this. Look at it. It hit the target and broke out as well. That too in the first 5 minutes. And it's around 3% difference. Where will you put your stop loss? Where will you put your target? There's no common sense in this. It was a good trade. I was planning on shorting it here because it broke once, but this is just stupid. Let's see, HDFC, it's still in the range. I can short it here. Earnings is there, so let's see if I find a reversal somewhere in this range here at this point, because we'll get it at one point, but around this point, if it finds a reversal, then I'll go long. Solafin, yeah, I had planned. I knew there will be a wick coming till here, and this is only for the body. Let's see if it's going to break out, or we can take a reversal from here. Be ready for both trades. And SPIN earnings will come this week, but right now this was some shit happening. No trading zone from 14,003, not 14, sorry, 434 to 431. It might just go in and range. So let's see what happens there. Tata Steel, I was planning on shorting if it breaks this support line. Let's see the 15-minute candle, what happens. Tata Chemicals, there was a range here, so it broke out of the range. Sadly, it's almost 1% high right now, somewhere near this resistance, so I won't take a trade. I'll try to take a reversal, or this could be a good breakout of 10% also. You can see that Nifty is gapped up and going down, but they're trying to push the market higher. For now, there's no trade in Biocon, it's still there. I'll switch to a 5-minute time frame to understand better. Okay, we got our handle as well. For now, it has not given a breakout. It's not so powerful. It's giving a resistance and it might go down. Same thing here. It's not looking good on a bullish side on the market. This one has not partially given a breakout in 15-minute candle and retraced back, so we can wait. And this could still go down and go up again. And I don't think I want to trade in this market because movement is very less. Candles like this, look at the volume is very high. There's something going on, mostly profit booking from institutions. And Bandhan Bank, it was a good trade. It was consolidating perfectly in the triangle, but sadly this candle itself you couldn't trade because this happened in like few seconds, and even if you enter a trade, your trade would have got placed over here and the price would have gone down by then. That's always possible. So that's why I don't want to trade in this Bandhan Bank. Let's see. This one is bullish right now. Hasn't broken out yet. I just hit here. Then there is Cholafin. Cholafin gave a proper rejection on the bottom side and is going higher. I was planning, but this candle, even if you place a trade, it would have got your stop loss hit, so no real entry direction for it. Let's see if it's finding rejection here, then I'll take a short position from here. It will take a short rejection. Nifty is not looking good. How is Bank Nifty looking? Bank Nifty is looking better. But today most of my stocks are banks itself. SPIN gave a breakout. I think we have to enter. It's a good trade. But where will we keep our stop loss? If you see, this my stop loss was hit. We'll wait for the 15-minute time frame. If there is consolidation, I'll enter. Tata Chemicals, well, there was one point of resistance and it really took the resistance seriously, as you can see. Or is this a bull trap or something, or is this a retest? You have to guess all those things. So if the next candle is going green, then you can think of some long positions. This is expectation trading if I take the trade right now, because I'm planning this is me telling that next candle will be green and it will go up. I'm taking too early target. because if I had taken the target, the price is still going lower. It might go inside the triangle or the consolidation point. As you can see, the even with the low volume, the prices are coming down. So the supply is really good. Even the supply over here, this supply, it's being absorbed by people like us right now. So there, all the supply is getting placed over here, and the institutions is not pumping. It's all random. Okay, market, everything is looking good and high. Sometimes you feel like entering in this, but there was no proper entry point as well. You just have to guess and enter, so you really can't. You have to be more more of a disciplined trader to make profits. I used to do that all the time, and I lost a lot. So right now I behave very well. Okay, first candle, even with the higher volume, not so high, but it had rejection. But right now there's too much supply on the top, so they're just letting it go. All the supply, some people who have placed order here also will try to enter here because they might never get this price again. So because of fear, they might book their profits here itself. People who have bought it here, it's a good trade to take short position right now because stop loss will be somewhere here itself. But let's see. I will do a book trade right now, so I won't take this trade really, but let's see. My order will be placed here. I didn't enter still. I can take this as a target. Here. Let's wait and see what happens. Whether my stop loss will be hit or target will be hit. I have not taken the trade, just a book trade. Because huge resistance here. Let's see. Just style is just consolidating. Not given a breakout. Most of them consolidating, but torrent power. Let's see. I gave a breakout on the high. Seriously, how will you trade in this? Your stop loss and targets are almost gone. This is almost 1.5% bad risk to reward ratio, so Bandhan Bank is out of option. But I think HDFC has given a breakout even with the lesser volume. So this is mostly because of expectation. So, and the results are going to be out soon. I don't want to trade in this because during results anything could happen. If there is one bad result, then it will fall. Just profit booking will happen. So never, you shouldn't trade during results or news. But let's see. If we are long position right now, and this region is a choppy region as well. So Not a good risk to reward ratio, 1 is to 2.2, but looking like it's going up. Okay, so Olafin took a reversal in between. It might just go sideways. And SPIN as well. It had given a breakout, came back down, consolidating. Thing is, you can't take a trade here and put your stop loss here. You have to put it here. So bigger stop loss, smaller target. Can't think it'll reach till there again. Let's see, I'll keep the stop loss at the 50 moving average. Let's see. And I think I'll enter this SPN with a smaller quantity. First thing, we found a rejection here, that's why I'm entering. And we have broken out of the range as well on the higher side. That's the second thing. And stop loss right now is not great, but better. I'm not sure about the target, but and there's some event as well. Today is the results as well. So there could be a good result or a bad result. So for now we have a stop loss. We can reduce the stop loss here as well, but I don't want the stop loss to be hit and then it going back up. So let's see. If there is good results, then the market will move even before the results come. Let's pray that stop loss is not hit. Okay, let this red candle form. We'll wait for the closing of this candle. Very small quantity, so that's how you learn. More comfortable with that as well. Okay, I told about the book trade here, which I thought it could go low. Right now it's not moving anywhere, it's sideways. Even this thing is sideways. So next good move will come around. See how candles also can be deceptive. Whatever the word might be called. First you saw a good rejection on the bottom side, right now it's going down itself. And if you had entered, you would have got a good stop loss. Even I'll take this trade as well. So SBIN, torrent power, not far. shorting this will be a bad idea right now. I didn't short it yet. Both the times we found rejections here, and if you are going long, place here, stop loss over here, no, a little bit lower, big stop loss, but where will be the target? Across this level as well. This is our first target, second one, third one. We'll take the second one. See the pivot points as well. Pivot points are of no use right now because it's all closed. On the R3 you can see VWAP for some stop loss. Then we can see the moving average, everything is on bottom, so there is a good chance it can go down, so I won't take a trade right now. And SPIN, the second candle, it's moving sideways. Let's see any other things, whether it broke out. Okay, this might hit a stop loss and then move down. Remember, this was a book trade. I had no plans on shorting it, but let's see. 15-minute time frame. It's just forming a doji, that's all. And just I'll took a resistance from there, still going down, so it might still move inside the triangle itself. So let's see if it breaks out from the bottom side, because we have found rejections here. We can take a trade right now, but right now is not a good thing. I can use a VWAP strategy and enter. I already gave a closing below the VWAP, and stop loss will be above the VWAP. We can keep it here, or it's much safer. This is the ultimate stop loss. More than this is bad if it goes higher. We have a good target as well. Since it was choppy, I think we can take this target. There's many rejections there. 15-minute time frame. You can see only red candles. This could go in this range. Okay. Luckily we didn't enter it because I was scared. I just wanted to see one more confirmation candle whether it's going up or down. Right now we found a green candle, a doji, and a red candle forming. So if this is a good red candle closing below this, and the next one is a red candle, then I'll go short. Or it could just keep going sideways. Market is not looking great, but looking like Torrent Pharma has gave a Torrent Power all the time. Even this, the volume is much more, and we are finding some supply on the top as well. See, volume is increasing much more than this, but it can't go much higher. So today might be the second day which I might not take a trade, but if you see something like this, like literally gap up with so much high volume, randomly just goes out and does some shit. It was going like this in a downtrend, already went up like this before. This is the second time it's going up like that. Usually gaps they use because if there is a huge supply in this range, they'll skip all the supply or sell orders by just gapping up. Even there was little bit supply here, even that was absorbed here with the red candle. Right now it's going higher. This one I won't take a trade. It's really bullshit. Bandhan Bank. Okay. Even after doing all these things, no real stop loss, too big risk to reward ratio, no proper target, so no trade. Okay, HDFC gave a fake breakout and then just fell down. That means Bank Nifty is going to go down. There will be one red candle because of HDFC. Banks are falling, not good, looking good. So even this is going in a range, no breakout. LNT hit our stop loss. It's going higher. No clear. I think just we have to take a trade right now, but this will be a early trade. Already found a rejection here. Has taken rejections many times before as well. You can take first target as here, and luckily if the trend line breaks, then we can take a huge target. This will be the first target of 1%. Then the second target here, and third target. But looks like they have some other plans. Okay. Literally I'm holding my phone for just to enter this trade, but I knew something is wrong when this red doji candle was formed. So, and banks are looking bad right now. This one is closing below the view up. Consolidation is done. This was supposed to be a no trading zone, and this 50 moving average also is here. Let's see what happens. I could take an entry here right now, but, minimum of 2 pivot points. Take this as a target as well. Maybe there's some news that results are bad. I see I won't enter any trade right now. Some things like this are happening. Okay, looks like a breakout on the higher side. It's finding rejections as well, higher volume. Okay, PI Industries gave pure breakout, proper price action. And this not problem was, even this I wouldn't have taken a trade because of the stop loss. Around 1.6%, 1.8% stop loss before the breakout. There's no guarantee of entry. Some are just going places, some stocks are going in higher directions as well. Okay, where would you have entered? somewhere here. Where could I have entered? What will you do right now? If the breakout candle was such long candle, how would you enter? Wait for the consolidation after one pumping. If the company, if the institutions don't pump it again, usually that supply will bring the price down. You can re-enter after a retest. This was a breakout. It come for a retest. Enter then. Somewhere here. That's much better than entering right now, because once you enter here thinking this is a breakout, then when the price is starting to fall, then you feel very uncomfortable. Emotions starts playing, and stop loss you have to keep it here technically. So it's really bad. There's one more phenomenon right now. This is a fall. If this is a false breakout because the volume is too high and it has rejections, the next candle is trying to go much higher and there is rejection and the volume is the same and the candle is not going much higher, then short it. Take take a reversal from here. See here, volume was much higher than, even the red candle volume was much higher. Let's see what can be done, but buying is not there for sure. The stop loss is also going very high. Okay, this was a pure breakout on the downside. Technically I shouldn't have been trading in this range, so I'll not take a trade in that range. Let's see for some next entry. This is no trading zone for me. Let's follow that. I had to short it on here. Because why no trading zone? Because it can take a reversal from here, take a reversal from here again, because 200 moving average is there in 15-minute time frame. 200 moving average is below, but it has taken rejection 2 times here, so it can take the rejection once more. But if it breaks, then by then the 5-minute candle, you can see that 200 moving average in the 5-minute candle also is broken, so it still falls. And this was a long term like good trend. It was going in this form, gave a false breakout, then fell back in, then gave a good breakout. Now it's consolidating here. See it in the I think it has taken support from the 200 moving average. See, it didn't go below that. That's why no trading zone. Most of the time you have to be patient, that's all. Yeah. And most of them usually become mental patients looking at all this. Python still consolidating, going in a range there. That means I think I'll take trade if this 15-minute is broken. It's taking support again from the same region, but let's see. There's a breakout from this 15-minute time frame. Same thing like Tata Steel. Oh shit, I forgot to see Tata Steel. And looks like Tata Chemicals is done with its bull run. That's all. Okay, Tata Steel, good thing. It's still consolidating in one small range. Same thing here. Don't short it if it's not going below that, or don't buy if it is not going above this. I really want to short Tata Steel. Why? Because this was because of news, pure news. Right now it's consolidating. Right now it found really second type, second resistance, second support. Sorry, too much words. As you can see, it's found rejections. So wait for a good breakout. Let's see what happens. I think I'll go offline, clear my head, then look for some opportunities. Okay, the body is above VWAP, so that's one sign that it might go higher. Let's see if this candle might be our entry. We are going long. No. Stop loss is better. This one also has to be broken. Let's see. Now what's happening in looping? I didn't take a trade here, but I think I can take a reversal. There could be a double top forming, and if I find any sign here, I'll take a trade. This was two rejection candles, so this one I don't think. You can take a rejection candle if it's forming over here and take a short position. Biocon, I don't think it's going to move anymore. Even L&T Housing Finance, no movement. It had a good moment yesterday, day before yesterday. Right now I think it's done, so I will leave L&T. I'm going to throw this away. I don't want this stock. Movement is not so much. Okay, there were too much range tradings which I had selected, like Tata Steel. With Tata Steel I had sale and Hindalco as well. Okay, imagine looking at it after planning all those things. See, this was the trend line, which if it breaks the trend line, I had to go short. Look at it. What would I do now? It's already broken. That means one more thing that could be projected to this same thing on this Tata Steel as well. I could take a position right now and take this as a support. Stock was much higher, and I don't think Tata Steel will fall like sale. And Hindalco is still in this range. Let's see. Almost all the candles are below VWAP, so we'll take stop loss as a VWAP. Little bit above that candle as well, so that we don't get stopped. This will be an early entry or a late entry as well. You could see this as a rejection on both sides. The second candle gave a rejection on the upper side, then it just went down. take reversal from here right now, so I don't think I can trade here as well. Like I told, this was a good thing, no trading zone, don't trade. Okay, here you can see that the volume was very high in the second candle as well. We could take a reversal here, but we can wait for a second buy position as well, because like I told, in 15-minute time frame that was a breakout. Right now it's coming for a retest. Why this is not working? Because this could be another resistance point as well, so it was much better for me to short it all the time, but it's not clear and comfortable for me to take any trade right now. Only things like this go up, freaky trades. HDFC in one candle it just went down, so by the end of this candle closing I almost had 0.7% of stop loss. My target will be from here to here, which couldn't have gone there, but risk reward ratio will be really bad, and right now it's taking a small reversal or a retracement, so let's see. Or the market would go just sideways today, who knows. Only good trade was sale, which I didn't open at all. I was looking for a lot of things, but I never saw sale. Let's see, is there anything else? Tata Chemicals, range bound, gave a retest and went back up. Right now it's in just sideways momentum. There is HDFC Bank. This all selections were done yesterday when I did my homework. Okay, this was also in a range, gave a breakout, then just came back inside, so I don't know about that as well. I could take a short position and take this as a target, but market is not looking like it's going down also. Nifty Bank is going sideways, Nifty is going sideways, India VIX is higher. Most of them are not that great. If we see long term wise, idea is in a good buy position, but if there is a trend trend change in the market, then I don't think it's a good time to buy as well. I had idea, I bought it at 9 rupees, then I have some stop loss, mental stop loss, which got hit. It was in profit, I bought it somewhere over here, then it went up till 10.85 and then fell down. So it has taken multiple support in this level many times, and this time it has not didn't go till here like before. Earnings, because of earnings the market fell. There's one more earnings on June 11th. August 2nd. Okay, today there is one more earnings, so that I don't think it will be good, because already market has moved so much. What is this monthly results? Okay, results are too much. Okay, let's see something else. Okay, orchard farm. This stock can go to good levels, but sadly this is going on. It has reached 2,500 or 2,600. But all those things happen because of the upper circuit. If you want to sell on a uptrend, then okay. When it's falling down, you can't sell it at all. So you can't book your losses even if your stop loss hit. That's why it's very risky to take in this. But I think if there was a stock split and if people are trying to buy more of this, then it's better. I don't know why this is happening. It opened at 43. Did it open at 43? What's it, Pharma? Not 40. 17 rupees. Imagine if you had bought it at 17 and it just went up, never stopped. See, from imagine 22 you bought, went till here, 11,000% profit. What the hell? See, like I told, this was a no trading zone. It went in, took a reversal from here, that 200 moving average. It could go back till here, so I don't see a clear buy or sell signal. Here, I think I am seeing a good buy signal here. This is looking like a good retest after a breakout. But problem was this happened all the previously as well. So on a buy side, I'm not sure what to do. Reality of beginners. It's never clear cut signals. Okay, something happened here. There was a breakout, false breakout, and then just fell down. Imagine I would have entered here. I was telling you, if that was broken, I would have entered. I would have just hit my stop loss and went back on. Things like this happen all the time. That usually demotivates you too much. Okay, loop in. I am finding some rejections in this point. Could take a short position. Small stop loss. This is the ultimate stop loss here. This should have been here. Why is that? Okay, this level. Okay, right now you can see that's got rejected 2 times already. But first thing it has to break the VWAP, so that will be the first target. This is much big target, but I think we can reach that because that's just one pivot point for us. I'll enter. Let's hope and pray on faith. There could be a double top as well. Could find a rejection and find a double top. So I'll just put in a trade and just leave it. Which is this looping. Remember, my quantity is low, so I don't really worry about losses. Losses is reduced drastically with my quantity. Okay, my order got placed at 1122. Stop loss is here 1127.5. Now I just placed this order. Looks like it's going down. For some reason I felt this was a double top and felt it's right to short it right now, because usually this thing comes after experiencing a lot of things in market. And Lupin was the only stock which has given me profit from the past last week. Maybe 4 trades and all the trades are gone better. So let's see what happens here. I think I'll go offline now. I told like 1 hour. If the price is not moving much, then I will exit this trade. If possible, I'll put all the results later on a short YouTube short. So for now, I think we are done. Thank you for watching. Keep trading. My videos is done, but I keep trading till 3. If you find any good opportunity to enter, do enter and keep a good stop loss and check your risk to reward ratio, and then enjoy, make profits all day, reduce your loss, keep your profits running, and reduce your losses. All these things I have learned mostly from booming bulls, thanks to that guy. Even though that videos are like marketive and those things, but those information are good quality, really helped me a lot. And most after that, I think my friend suggested a lot of books as well. And thanks to quote on trades after showing patterns and other things. Okay, sale already fell down. If we get a reversal over here again, there will be a retracement. We can't just keep falling. So if there is some reversal after going retracement, then I will go short again. For now, let's see if I find any. We can take a reversal right now from here, because there were a lot of rejections as well. A long position, we can take 1% easily. Let's see. Problem is, this is expectation trading and it can go sideways for a long time. Here you can see very choppy market. I'll take a long position if I find any good indicator. Right now already I found 2 rejections on bottom side. So let's see what happens. I won't take a trade, just kept it relax. This is the second breakout right now in SBI. What happened to our Lupin? Okay, Lupin is coming up. Let's leave that. If you keep seeing, you'll get emotionally attached. Okay, I'll take some more few trades and then show the results later on. Thank you for watching. Please check out for tomorrow's intraday selection, stock selections, so even you can trade on that based on your analysis. I'll just select some stocks if you can trade on it. There's a lot of stocks which I kept, then some I search and find it. Have to learn to find through stock screeners, but right now it's too confusing for me. So thank you. See you tomorrow, or evening. Bye.